Hey, America! Let's talk about something you might find as exciting as watching paint dry, the Judicial Branch. But trust me, it's more interesting than it sounds. It's like the nerdy kid brother of the government, always overshadowed by the flashy president and the bickering Congress. Yet it's the backbone of our democracy. But hold on, because this nerd is the guardian of our entire legal system. It ensures that justice is served and that our rights are protected. The Founding Fathers, in their infinite wisdom and powdered wigs, decided they didn't want another King George situation. They had seen enough tyranny to last a lifetime. So they crafted the Constitution, which laid the groundwork for the Judicial Branch. This was a revolutionary idea at the time. Article 3 created the Supreme Court and gave Congress the power to establish lower courts. This structure was designed to balance power and prevent any one branch from becoming too powerful. They knew a fair and impartial justice system was crucial for a functioning democracy. Without it, the rule of law would be meaningless. Think about it. Without courts to interpret and enforce the law, it's basically the Wild West out there. Imagine a society where disputes are settled by who has the loudest voice or the biggest stick. We'd have chaos, anarchy, and probably a lot more reality TV shows. The Judicial Branch keeps things in check, ensuring that laws are applied fairly and consistently. Who wants to live in a world where Judge Judy is the ultimate legal authority? While entertaining, it's not exactly the model of justice we aspire to. So, the Constitution gave the Judicial Branch the power to settle disputes, interpret laws, and ensure everyone plays by the rules. This system of checks and balances is what keeps our democracy healthy. It's like the referee in the big game of American life, making sure things stay relatively fair. Without it, the game would be chaos, and the rules would mean nothing. Now, let's talk about judicial independence. This concept is crucial for maintaining the integrity of our legal system and ensuring that justice is served fairly and impartially. You know how important it is for a referee to call a game fairly, even if it means making an unpopular call. The referee's role is to ensure that the game is played according to the rules, without favoritism or bias. Well, the same goes for judges. They need to be free from political pressure and outside influence to make impartial decisions based on the law, not on who's got the most money or connections. Judges must interpret and apply the law consistently, ensuring that everyone is treated equally under the law. That's why federal judges are appointed for life. This lifetime appointment is designed to insulate them from external pressures and allow them to focus solely on the law and the facts of each case. They don't have to worry about getting re-elected or pleasing any particular political party. This freedom enables them to make decisions that might be unpopular but are legally sound and just. This lifetime appointment protects them from being swayed by public opinion or political whims. It ensures that their rulings are based on legal principles rather than transient societal trends. Of course, this doesn't mean judges are above the law. They are still accountable for their actions and must adhere to ethical standards. They can still be impeached for misconduct, but the process is deliberately difficult. This ensures that impeachment is reserved for serious offences and not used as a tool for political retribution. This ensures that they can't be easily removed for making decisions that some people might not like. It protects the judiciary from becoming a pawn in political games. Judicial independence is the bedrock of a fair and impartial judicial system. It is essential for upholding the rule of law and ensuring that justice is administered without fear or favour. It ensures that everyone, from the average Joe to the powerful CEO, gets a fair shake in court. Without judicial independence, the integrity of our legal system would be compromised and public confidence in the judiciary would erode. Ever wonder who keeps the other branches of government in check? Who ensures that the laws passed by Congress and the actions taken by the President adhere to the principles laid out in the Constitution? Enter the concept of judicial review. This crucial mechanism serves as a safeguard for our democracy. This power, established in the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison in 1803, allows the Supreme Court to declare laws or executive actions unconstitutional. It was a groundbreaking decision that forever changed the landscape of American law. Think of it like this. The Constitution is the ultimate rulebook of American governance. Every law and action must align with this foundational document. The Judicial Branch, with the Supreme Court at the helm, is like the referee who makes sure everyone is playing by the rules. They interpret the Constitution and ensure that no branch oversteps its bounds. If a law or action violates the Constitution, the court can step in and say, "Nope, that's a foul." This power acts as a check on the legislative and executive branches. Marbury v. Madison was a pivotal moment in American history. It wasn't just about a single case. It was about establishing a precedent that would guide the nation for centuries. It established the Supreme Court as the final arbiter of the Constitution, solidifying its role as a co-equal branch of government. This decision underscored the importance of an independent judiciary. Without judicial review, the other branches could potentially run roughshod over the Constitution, undermining the very foundation of our democracy. This power ensures that the rule of law prevails, protecting the rights and liberties of all citizens.